Crestic Load Banks is the market leader in the design, manufacture and rental of industrial load banks. We've been producing load banks for testing diesel and gas power generators for more than 35 years. Our load banks test standby generators all around the world to ensure that when called upon, they can operate effectively and safely at the correct voltage, capacity and frequency. For data center commissioning, we have a range of load bank solutions for air conditioning EAT load testing, main genset commissioning and UPS system proving. Whether it's a rack-mounted server emulator or a floor-standing load bank, a multi-megawatt medium voltage commissioning package or a capacitive load bank for leading power factor testing, Crestic have load banks for your data center. In this short video, we are going to show you a typical test using 850 kilowatt load banks with both our KCS controller and our digital controller. We hope this video has shown you the capabilities of Crestic's purpose-built load banks for your data center testing requirements, and our versatile methods of controlling the load banks to make your tests go as smoothly as possible. For further information and inquiries, please contact Crestic at the following website. Thank you for watching.